Food never begins. There we go.
He's doing that. What is this, Cuban? Oh. You got it in your mouth,
It's
bro.
bread.
Bread?
I don't know. Oh, must it be cute? What is it?
Probably has a piece of bone stuck in his mouth.
Yep, that's exactly what it is. It's right against me.
It's like going across his mouth.
You get it out. He's gonna choke on it. That's funny.
Oh, dude, that is like stuck in there.
I am